Life is filled with highs and lows, twists and turns. We all experience ups and downs and go through periods of challenge and struggle. But life has a beautiful way of surprising us. Even in the darkest of times, if you pay close attention, the universe often gives signs and hints that things are about to turn around for the better. Without further ado, here are 14 signs something good is about to happen in your life. Pay close attention, and you will notice the winds of fortune subtly shifting in your favor. Increased resilience, you bounce back from setbacks. Challenges and setbacks will keep arising even during destined times. What changes is your ability to bounce back, recover and keep moving forward with persistence. Signs your resilience is being strengthened. You don't let mistakes or failures deter you for long. Losing out on an opportunity just motivates you more. Rejection or criticism may sting but doesn't paralyze you. Hardships make you more determined and courageous. You tap into undiscovered inner reserves of grit and stamina. This mental toughness will serve you well as you navigate your way to the top. Destiny has a way of forging our inner steel. Know that every setback prepares you for greater responsibility ahead. You are being honed into a seasoned leader and warrior. Let the hard times make you wiser, savvier, and more battle-tested. Your time to rise and shine is coming. A sense of anticipation, your future feels exciting. As a new stage of life approaches, you'll feel a building sense of anticipation. Possibilities will hang electric in the air. Each day will feel infused with potential. Pay close attention to it. Signs your anticipation is mounting. Waking up with a sense of childlike wonder and an openness to adventure. Feeling that your life is on the brink of becoming extraordinary. Knowing at a deep level that you're headed for something great. Wanting to share your dreams and passions with everyone around you. Feeling ready to burst forward into unexplored territory and growth. Let this energy of anticipation carry you boldly into uncharted waters. It means your life is poised for an incredible expansion. Gear up for exhilarating new horizons. Your days of dreaming, planning, and waiting are coming to fruition. Joyful inner peace, bliss becomes your natural state. As your life enters a flow state, your baseline emotional state will become one of joy, gratitude, and inner peace. Instead of chasing external conditions to be happy, your soul will emit contentment. Signs you've attained this state of inner joy. Feeling constantly grateful to be alive, regardless of circumstances. A warm feeling of bliss and harmony resides in your heart. You see the beauty and magic in everyday moments. Simplicity and clarity replace chasing lofty goals. Your presence automatically brightens situations. This state of being is the most powerful magnet for destiny and abundance. When inner peace and joy become your currency, you'll effortlessly attract all you need. Each day becomes a gift allowing you to spread more light. Happiness is no longer some distant goal, but your natural expression. Everything you need will flow to you. Elevated energy levels, your vitality surges. As your destiny progresses forward, you'll feel your energy levels and vitality increasing. You'll notice both mental and physical boosts such as greater focus and clarity in your thinking, heightened creativity and imagination, more energy and endurance for pursuing goals, feeling more motivated, driven, and ambitious, and increased zest for taking action on ideas. This influx of energy is the fuel you'll need to take advantage of the new opportunities headed your way. Your mind and body are rallying their forces, mustering excitement for the next adventure that awaits you. When you feel your energy surge, act on it proactively. Pursue your passions. Tackle new projects with gusto. Let the zest lead you forward boldly. The elevated vitality means you're ready to handle the increased momentum your life is about to gain. Clarity and purpose, your true calling crystallizes. As you stand on the precipice of a new phase of growth and self-actualization, your true calling will crystallize before you. Your purpose and passion will come sharply into focus. Signs you're connecting deeply with your calling. Feeling aligned, inspired, and lit up by your work and creative endeavors. Knowing without a doubt the path you are meant to pursue. Increased conviction to keep going despite obstacles. A sense of destiny and zeal to fulfill your highest potential. Confidence that you're on the brink of manifesting your dream. This sense of clarity is hugely empowering. When you know your true purpose, life flows. Trust in your calling and boldly pursue the endeavors that light you up inside. Your destiny is awaiting activation. When this certainty about your path hits, it means you're crossing over into a new phase of actualization. Get ready to pursue your purpose with blazing passion. The time has come to create your most inspired work and make your greatest contribution. Release of negativity, you shed what no longer serves you. As you prepare to enter a new positive phase of life, you'll instinctively begin shedding negative energies, limiting beliefs, and habits that no longer serve your growth. Signs negativity is releasing its grip on you. Leaving behind toxic relationships, friendships, or work environments. Quitting self-sabotaging patterns and behaviors. Abandoning limiting beliefs about what you can accomplish. Stepping out of your comfort zone and past your fears. Letting go of things that are unfulfilling and making space for something better. This purging process is an essential step on your path to fulfillment and success. It clears away old baggage so you can now move unencumbered toward your destiny. Trust that your soul knows exactly what it's doing. Support your own healing and evolution by embracing the changes afoot. Boldly let go of whatever no longer resonates, making space for the thrilling future that awaits. Heighten intuition, your inner voice gets stronger. As positive change approaches, you may find your intuition becoming stronger and clearer. Your inner voice speaks to you more insistently, guiding you in the right direction. Suddenly, your gut instincts are spot on. When you get an urge to take a certain action or make a certain choice, it feels right. Listen to that inner voice, it's telling you that something good is about to happen. Pay attention to the subtle feelings and nudges that arise within you. Even small intuitions can be signposts indicating favorable turns in your situation. Perhaps you get the inexplicable sense that good fortune awaits you if you attend a certain event or meet a certain person. Or you intuitively feel prepared to take a creative risk, start a new venture, or relocate to a new city. These gut feelings may be prophetic. When your intuition becomes heightened, you become more aligned with the cosmic forces of luck and serendipity. Your destiny begins to unfold organically. So the next time you get a strong hunch or urge, take it seriously. The universe is sending you signals from a deeper wisdom within. Follow those intuitive breadcrumbs and see where they lead you. Positive vibes from others, support pours in. Right before a major upswing in your growth, you'll notice friends, family, and colleagues offering more encouragement and moral support. It's as if others can sense the positive changes mounting within you, and they rally to strengthen your resolve. Examples of the positive signs you may notice. Friends share how much they appreciate you and believe in you. Family members express pride in you and offer strengthening words. Peers and coworkers compliment your work and acknowledge your progress. Role models and mentors impart motivational advice. Strangers pay you compliments and tell you to keep going. This supportive energy from others is the universe's way of giving you an extra morale boost. The world around you begins conspiring to lift you up. Let this outpouring of positivity nourish and inspire you. Soak up the good vibes from others and use them to propel yourself forward with joy and confidence. Destiny awaits. Vivid dreams, your subconscious comes alive. As your intuition heightens, your dreams may also become more vivid and meaningful. The subconscious mind comes alive, offering you captivating nightly visions. Pay attention to any dreams that feel especially intense or prophetic. Write them down upon waking and reflect on their symbolism and messages. Your dreams may offer glimpses into positive shifts stirring within you and potentials unfolding in the external world. The dream world provides a playground for your imagination and intuition to connect more deeply with your higher purpose and destiny. Some key signs of prophetic dreams. Recurring dream themes or settings, specific images that keep reappearing may hold symbolic meaning. Lucid dreaming, being aware that you're dreaming hints that you're more connected to your inner wisdom. Vivid emotional tones, feeling intense emotions like joy, inspiration, or foreboding reveals significant inner shifts. Aha moments, waking up with sudden insights related to your dream signals important breakthroughs. Dreams prepare us for what's to come and reveal inner potentials seeking expression. When your dreams feel charged and meaningful, it means your subconscious is tuning into your unfolding future. Pay close attention. The inner psyche is paved with signs indicating good things soon to manifest. Unexpected opportunities, doors open from out of nowhere. When positive change is brewing, unexpected doors will open to you. New opportunities, invitations, and offers will arise that seemingly come out of the blue. But pay attention, they could be exactly what you need to spark positive transformation. Here are some examples of the chance opportunities that might indicate good fortune knocking. A new career prospect pops up that aligns perfectly with your skills and interests. The timing of the opportunity couldn't be better. You receive an invitation to attend a party or event where you end up meeting influential people who become pivotal connections. A friend invites you on a trip that becomes a life-changing experience and shapes your future plans. You have a conversation with someone that leads to a collaboration, creative endeavor, or startup idea that excites you. You discover a new tool or resource that helps you break through previous limitations. These lucky breaks are no accident. When it's time for your next chapter of growth, the universe conspires to usher you there. Open your mind and keep an eye out for unexpected offerings. When you spot them, move toward them decisively. Increase serendipity, coincidences melt with meaning. As good fortune approaches, you'll notice coincidences beginning to happen more frequently. Random events will align in your favor, and daily life will feel increasingly magical and serendipitous. Signs of heightened serendipity to watch for. Running into an old friend or colleague who becomes a positive influence in your future journey. Overhearing a stranger mention a great idea that sparks inspiration in you. Finding an item you needed to solve a problem while browsing in a random store. Meeting someone who shares an obscure interest or rare life experience. Discovering connections between random pieces of information that give you an aha moment. When these coincidences melt, it signals that some benevolent force is nudging you in the right direction by lining up the perfect people and resources in your path. Savor these moments of serendipity. Don't dismiss them as mere chance. They are like personal clues from the cosmos revealing your destiny potential. Pay attention and piece together their meaning. There are powerful forces ready to aid you. Alignment of effort and outcome, hard work pays off. As you enter a destined phase of growth, your efforts will align powerfully with successful outcomes. After periods of struggle, you'll gain positive traction. Things will begin coming together and flowing. Signs you've stepped into this flow state. Projects progress rapidly and smoothly. Bold risks pay off succeeding in improbable ways. Doors open with ease where they were previously blocked. You manifest results with minimal effort and struggle. When this synergy happens, it means you are fully activated on your destined path. Luck becomes your faithful companion. The fruits of your labor multiply exponentially. Relish this accelerated momentum. Let it propel you to even greater heights. Trust that you have the Midas touch right now. Everything you pour yourself into will flourish and thrive, catapulting your growth and success to a new level. Feeling of gratitude, appreciation infuses your perspective. As good fortune flows, you'll find gratitude spontaneously arising within you. Simply feeling blessed for the positive aspects of your life will attract even greater abundance. Signs that you're unlocking the power of gratitude. Waking up each morning appreciative for new opportunities. Expressing thanks to others who have helped you. Sending silent blessings to the universe for synchronicities and luck. Not taking any moment of progress for granted. Feeling awestruck by life's gifts rather than entitled. This energy of gratitude is like a magnet summoning your destiny closer. Thank every step forward. Let the hard times make you appreciate the good times even more. Honor life's gifts through daily gratitude. This simple act transforms you into a vessel for ever-increasing blessings and fulfillment. When appreciation fills your being, you've clearly entered a destined phase of prosperity. Synchronicity in events, perfect timing abounds. As your fate unfolds, you'll find events synchronizing around you with uncanny perfection. Suddenly, everything seems to fall into place at just the right time. Signs you're riding a wave of positive timing. You meet a pivotal connection who plays a serendipitous role in your future. A momentous opportunity arises that you feel completely ready for. Traveling somewhere leads to a fortunate chance encounter or breakthrough. The perfect conditions arise, allowing you to advance forward with ease. Resources you need to take a positive risk materialize right on schedule. When things click together so effortlessly like this, it's clear evidence that destiny is at work behind the scenes. Forces are organizing to progress your life situation in positive ways. Trust in the timing of events. They are unfolding with a hidden order designed to take you exactly where you need to go. Conclusion. When positive turnarounds approach, you are given many clues from the universe. There are countless signals suggesting that good fortune is on its way. Pay attention to all the signs you see in this video. These signposts indicate that you're crossing an important threshold. Your life is being ready for a positive shift, and forces are coming together to propel you in a fortunate new direction. Trust in the process unfolding and embrace the journey ahead with courage and faith. Know that your destiny awaits. Move toward it boldly and welcome the blessings coming your way. The winds of change are picking up, your sails are being unfurled, and get ready to catch the gusts of opportunity carrying you to a rewarding new harbor. Keep your eyes on the horizon and enjoy the promise of an adventurous voyage ahead.